Hi everyone, I'm on a mission to educate and make you grasp the concept and knowledge on social work profession. My name is Roman. In this video, we're breaking down the roles of a social worker. So the first role is advocate. They fight for the needs, rights and justice of the marginalized and vulnerable population and act for social change of those marginalized people. They are the voice of the voiceless. They make sure that the rights of the people are given unto them. Another role is educator. They provide information and teaches skills to the clients or to the people in the community to increase or improve awareness. They also help in awareness campaigns to the people on certain issues or problems and inform them on topics like prevention of diseases, how to prevent diseases, availability of health care and where to get them, and the rights of the people. They also educate them, inform people on their rights and how to where to find them and how to get them. Another role is counselor or the let's say psychotherapist. They facilitate the clients in the identification of the problem areas and help on the intervention strategies. They also help in providing emotional aid or emotional support during grief periods or bereavement counseling. They call it bereavement counseling, where we help those clients or those families who have lost their members to death. They also give direction to the clients. So we have to know that as a counselor, you should be patient. You should be a good listener and a good communicator. You have to attain. You have to have communication skills. Another role is case manager or broker. Here we see there's coordination of services and resources within agency. Mobilization of resources, link clients to required resources and services like healthcare, counseling, and also as a case manager, you assess needs and develop plans of the client or the agency that you are working with. Another role is mediator. We assist the clients, we assist both parties who are having conflicts, who are having miscommunication, so that we will find a common ground. They will have peace. We help resolve conflicts and facilitate groups or community change. That's the role of a mediator. Another role is a social worker as a researcher. We do researching programs and policies to improve social services system. Through researches, we improve our policies. For a social worker, you go to the community, find out, do researches through observation surveys, questionnaires on what is the problems that people are facing, how effective, how efficient can we solve those problems. That's the research part. And also evaluate programs and studying social problems to inform practice and policies. Another role is a leader. Social worker as a leader. We have to attain leadership role. Lead on the treatment of the clients. Leadership is a process by which one influences others to accomplish a certain objective. So social worker as a leader, you plan, you formulate objectives in the treatment, in the intervention, so to solve the problems of the client or the clients that you are working with. If you find this video interesting, subscribe and watch my other videos. Thank you.